substitute. Oh, hey, baby. I'm trying to think if I need you to call, need you to be on the phone.
What?
No, I guess I don't.
Huh?
No, I was trying to think if I needed you on the phone real quick, but I got it. No, it's related to the stamp stuff. I was going to call this other office, but
Wait, my phone's right here, but it's dying.
yeah, no, I got a charger for you too. It's over here.
But it needs to be over here that we're talking about here. I'm about to blow dry my hair for a good, like 15 minutes.
I got it for you. I'm hooking you up.
Bro, how dare you? How fucking dare you? You fucking asshole.
Don't throw anything.
How could you do that to me? That's gonna fuck up my hair.
But it's just baby powder. You put it in your hair all the time.
No,
I'll wash it right now.
you fucking asshole. You so getting fucking. My God, y'all gonna fucking beat you right now.
You look like
You're getting fucking beat. Oh, everybody fucking knows you're getting your fucking ass kicked. That was not cool. Yo, fuck you! Oh, I'm gonna get you back. Don't you worry. Don't you fucking worry. But you're sorry. You're fucking sorry. I'm so getting you back.
I'll fix it right now.
No, it's all good. No. You're gonna like hate life when I get done with you. Okay? You're gonna hate fucking life. You hear me, fucking fuckers?
He says,
I
I want
hate
to give
fucking
1%
life
of
right now.
who I am to the listeners. Censorship is not an option. Haggerty said,
Whose idea was that?
Of course it was mine. I did it.
How could you do that? You didn't fuck up my
No, baby, it's just baby powder and hair dryer.
It's not just that. You just fucked up my hair dryer.
I like it. Look.
That's not even funny. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna get you back. I'm gonna sick fucking ways. I'm gonna get you back. You just wait. You just fucked up my hair dryer.
No, I didn't. I'm floating out right now. It's fine.
And my makeup. How dare you? Fucking hate you right now. That's not even funny. You did it to somebody else, not me. Why do you do it to somebody else and somebody else's hair dryer? You just fucked up my whole hair dryer. Now I can even blow dry my hair. It's not fine. You're in my fucking hair. That wasn't funny. What's not gonna be funny is when I get you back. Okay? Trust me. Oh my God, you just fucked up my makeup too. It's fucking war.
It was 99 cents.
Oh my God, my hair's all fucking chalky now. The fuck did you put in that? Chalk?
What?
Did you put chalk in that?
It's baby powder.
No, it's fucking chalking up my hair now.
It's baby powder.
Fuck you, Travis. Seriously.
Wash your hair right
You
now.
do that to other people, not me.
We wash your hair right now.
No, I just washed my hair.
It's just baby powder.
I don't give a fuck. It's not funny.
It's just baby powder. It is
It's
fine.
not funny. You do that to other people, not me. God damn it. Now my hair's all chalked up. And so is my makeup and everything. Fuck you, Travis. It wasn't even fucking funny at all. It's okay. Good. Oh, damn it. All in my ears and in my eyes and all my lashes. Oh my God, I have to do my makeup all over again. How would you do that to me, baby? That's funny when you do it to somebody else. It's not fucking funny, Travis. Tug him down. That's how I'm gonna get you back. No, it's okay. I'm gonna get you back. No, what happened is going to be I'm gonna get you back. God, it's all in my baby. I was just all ready to go and all it's in my ear, it's in my eyelashes, it's everywhere. It's funny on somebody else, it's not funny on me. Now wash my earrings out. I have redo my lashes. All over my face, my makeup was perfect. God damn it, Travis. Make me another drink. I thought you were my partner in crime, not the fucking crime against me.
That was the practice run.
That was not funny. That was not funny. Like, my lashes were coated in that shit.
Find out what Kesha created with more than 1,000
No, but more prejudice against other people, not me. I'm praying against you. No, baby, no, it was way worse.